The future of travel is unfolding before our eyes, driven by groundbreaking innovations that blur the boundaries between the Earth and sky. From suborbital space tourism to solar-powered aviation, the world is witnessing the birth of transformative technologies that promise to revolutionize how we move. In this narrative, we explore the pioneers and creations that are set to redefine transportation forever. Number 1. Virgin Galactic's suborbital space travel. Virgin Galactic, founded by the visionary entrepreneur Richard Branson and part of the renowned Virgin Group, is reshaping the dream of space exploration into a tangible reality. Headquartered in California, with its operations at Spaceport America in New Mexico, the company's mission is to democratize access to space. At the heart of this endeavor is the VSS Unity, a state-of-the-art suborbital spacecraft. Featuring a sleek design and cutting-edge technology, VSS Unity has successfully conducted numerous flights, including its landmark journey with its first passenger in February 2019. The craft is designed to offer passengers a breathtaking view of Earth from the edge of space, providing an experience that was once reserved for a select few astronauts. Beyond offering a unique perspective of the planet, Virgin Galactic is inspiring future generations and paving the way for a thriving space tourism industry. By advancing its technology and expanding accessibility, the company is turning the dream of space travel into an attainable reality for adventurers around the globe. Number 2. FlyNow Eopter, revolutionizing urban mobility. The FlyNow Eopter represents a new frontier in urban air mobility. Developed by Austrian startup FlyNow Aviation, this electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft is designed to address the growing need for sustainable and efficient urban transportation solutions. With its coaxial electric drivetrain and counter-rotating rotor propellers, the Eopter offers unparalleled stability and efficiency. Available in both cargo and passenger models, the aircraft is powered by advanced lithium-ion batteries, enabling a range of 31 miles and a cruising speed of 81 per miles. Its compact design and low operational cost make it an ideal choice for densely populated urban areas. FlyNow Aviation aims to commercialize the Eopter by 2026, offering a practical alternative to traditional ground transportation. Whether used for short commutes or logistical operations, this innovation marks a significant step toward a cleaner and more connected urban future. Number 3. Leo Coupe, a hypercar in the sky. Imagine a vehicle that combines the aesthetic of a hypercar with the capability of flight. Enter the Leo Coupe, an electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft designed by Leo Flight Corporation. This futuristic machine is redefining personal air travel with its innovative design and impressive performance. The Leo Coupe features a double-box wing configuration and 64 duct fans, allowing for seamless vertical lift. Additionally, 6 forward thrust fans propel the vehicle to speeds of up to 250 mph with a range of 300 miles. These specifications make it an ideal solution for those seeking efficiency and convenience in urban or regional travel. Safety is a top priority for the Leo Coupe. Equipped with advanced features like a ballistic recovery parachute, the aircraft ensures a secure and reliable flying experience. By blending cutting-edge technology with practical functionality, the Leo Coupe offers a glimpse into the future of personal transportation. Number 4. Aptera, a solar-powered marvel. Sustainability takes center stage with the Aptera, a solar-electric vehicle that redefines energy independence. With its sleek three-wheel design and lightweight composite body, the Aptera is engineered for maximum efficiency and zero emissions. What sets the Aptera apart is its integrated solar panels, which generate enough energy for 40 miles of daily travel without requiring external charging. For longer journeys, its advanced battery system provides a range of up to 1,000 miles on a single charge. This makes the Aptera an excellent choice for environmentally conscious travelers. In addition to its impressive performance, the Aptera boasts an aerodynamic design that minimizes drag, further enhancing its energy efficiency. By combining solar power with innovative engineering, the Aptera represents a bold step toward a greener and more sustainable future. Number 5. Dery Solar Airship, a greener sky. Aiming to revolutionize aviation, the Dery Solar Airship embodies the principles of sustainability and innovation. Featuring 80 square meters of integrated solar panels, This airship achieves all-day flight without relying on fossil fuels. Its flat-bottom design enhances maneuverability, while ultra-light batteries provide extended energy independence. These features make the airship a versatile tool for a variety of applications, from tourism and cargo transport to humanitarian missions in remote areas. By prioritizing eco-friendly technology, the Dery Solar Airship paves the way for a cleaner aviation industry. Its success highlights the potential of renewable energy in reshaping the skies. Number 6. Nuclear-powered Sky Hotel, the ultimate flying resort. The nuclear-powered Sky Hotel, envisioned by designer Tony Holston and brought to life through animations by Hashem El-Gaili, is a breathtaking concept that redefines luxury travel. This futuristic flying resort is powered by nuclear energy, allowing it to remain airborne indefinitely while accommodating up to 5,000 passengers. The Sky Hotel offers unparalleled amenities, including shopping malls, swimming pools, fine dining, and even AI-assisted turbulence avoidance for a smooth and comfortable journey. Its unique design merges the thrill of air travel with the sophistication of five-star hospitality, creating an extraordinary experience for its guests. While still a concept, the nuclear-powered Sky Hotel exemplifies the possibilities of merging cutting-edge technology with luxury, offering a glimpse into the future of aviation. Number 7. Manser EMPower, the flying hypercar. The Manser EMPower is a visionary concept that combines the sleek design of a supercar with the functionality of an aircraft. This flying hypercar is designed for those who seek the ultimate blend of speed, style, and convenience. Featuring an aerodynamic shape and upward opening doors, the EMPower is as visually striking as it is functional. Though still in its conceptual stage, the vehicle represents a bold vision for future travel, where personal mobility seamlessly transitions between roads and skies. By pushing the boundaries of automotive and aerospace design, the Manser EMPower symbolizes the limitless possibilities of innovation in transportation. Conclusion. The journey toward the future of travel is marked by bold ideas and groundbreaking technologies. From Virgin Galactic suborbital adventures to solar-powered airships and nuclear-powered flying hotels, the innovations highlighted here represent the dawn of a new era in transportation. These visionary creations promise to make travel faster, more sustainable, and more accessible, inspiring us to dream bigger and reach further than ever before.